Welcome to our immersive journey through historical concepts and time periods. In this captivating exploration, we'll dive deep into the annals of history, unraveling the mysteries of the past and uncovering the fascinating stories that have shaped our world. As we embark on our adventure, let's begin by setting the stage in this awe-inspiring library, where the echoes of centuries past resonate through the pages of ancient tomes. Here, history comes alive as we immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of human civilization. Step back in time with us as we journey to the heart of ancient civilizations, where the cradle of human culture flourished amidst bustling marketplaces and towering monuments. From the mighty pyramids of Egypt to the grandeur of Mesopotamia, we'll explore the marvels of antiquity that laid the foundations of modern society. Our next stop takes us to the medieval realms of Europe, where knights rode forth on noble quests and castles stood as bastions of power and intrigue. Journey with us through the winding streets of medieval villages and the grand halls of feudal lords as we uncover the tumultuous tapestry of the Middle Ages. Prepare to set sail on the high seas as we venture into the age of exploration, a time of daring voyages and epic discoveries. From the intrepid journeys of Christopher Columbus to the maritime exploits of Vasco da Gama, join us as we chart the course of history across uncharted waters. As we conclude our journey through historical concepts and time periods, let us reflect on the lessons of the past and the enduring legacy of human civilization. From the dawn of antiquity to the dawn of a new era, history continues to shape our world and inspire future generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable odyssey through the annals of time. Until we meet again, may the lessons of history guide us on our journey towards a brighter future. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating explorations of history and culture. Until next time, happy travels through time.